Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to find your phone number in the Telegram app on your PC using the latest update. If you're using Telegram on your computer and can't seem to locate your number, don't worry. This method will show you exactly where to look in just a few easy steps. First, open the Telegram application on your computer. Once it loads, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll see 3 horizontal lines, often called the menu button. Go ahead and click on those lines to open up the side menu. From this menu, you're going to want to head into the section called My Profile. This is where Telegram stores all of your personal account details, including your display name, profile picture, and of course, your registered phone number. As soon as you enter the My Profile section, you'll notice different fields of information listed clearly on the screen. Look for the bar labeled Mobile. That's the spot where your phone number is displayed. This number is the exact one connected to your Telegram account, the number you used when signing up or logging in. It's that simple. Open the app, click the 3 lines, go to My Profile, and in the mobile bar, you'll see your number right away. No extra searching, no confusion, and no need to dive into settings or security menus. Everything you need is right there in your profile view. This shortcut is especially useful if you're switching devices, trying to confirm which number is linked to your account, or helping someone else do the same. It takes just a few seconds, but it's something many people often overlook. And that's all it takes. You've successfully found your phone number in Telegram on your PC. Quick, easy, and done in less than a minute. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stick around for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.